With speed, strength, and passion, Buzkashi or goat grabbing is a game for the brave. It is said that the origin of Buzkashi comes from the legendary epic of Manas. Manas was included into the Intangible Cultural Heritage List of UNESCO. The 236,000-line epic depicts various aspects of the Kirgiz ethnic culture. Jangnur Turganbay is an accomplished epic inheritor. Having lived on the grasslands for over 50 years, his greatest joy is to perform the Kirgiz ethnic epic Manas. In 2022, General Secretary Xi Jinping made an inspection tour in Xinjiang. Jangnur Turganbay and his apprentices performed a part of Manas for Xi. Xi asked him, "How long does it take to perform the epic?" Jangnur Turganbay said, "Over a whole day and night."
Bütün dünya eli düşünse ki degende.
Jangnur Turganbay performs his beloved Manas traveling through his hometown. Now, he is a well-known performer of the Manas. The ethnic epic Manas has drawn more and more attention today. In today's Xinjiang, the ways of passing down the Manas are more diverse. In elementary school classrooms, children learn to sing the Manas. A Manas research center has been established in Xinjiang, and 8 volumes of the scripts of the epic have been recorded and translated into multiple languages.